Hi, I'm Vaishnavi here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's about being curly. I hope you're doing all good. Hope you're doing all good. So, in this video, I'm showing you I got the PR from Indus Valley. The brand is Indian brand. The brand is so well known for its DIY recipes. So I'm showing you what I got in this video. In this video, I got the PR for Scalp Rejuvenating Pack. Look at the pack. This is so good with this. All good variety, all good instructions. The brand is vegan. It also known for the fresh, long shelf life. Let me show you what it's there in this pack. They have also given you the recipe book. The recipe book contains almost 26 varieties of DIY for hair, skin, anti-tan, anti-cold, antibacterial, hair strengthening, whatnot. You need to look in this. I got this is aloe vera gel, organic aloe vera gel, and this is called hair spa conditioner. This is a conditioner, and this is extra virgin coconut oil. This is hibiscus powder, and the two more I have. This is shampoo, gentle shampoo, which is soap and alkali free gentle cleansing shampoo. This is no SLS and no parabens. And the last one is this is the essential oil, peppermint essential oil. Let's prepare the pack according to the recipe book given. I got the box of Scalp Rejuvenating Pack, so I need to check in this for the recipe. So this is how we need to prepare for the pack right now. 2 spoons of hibiscus powder, 1 spoon of coconut oil, 10 drops of peppermint oil. I don't know how the brand is suggesting 10 drops. I'm a little skeptical because I never use 10 drops of peppermint oil in my DIY. Let's trust the brand. Mix well. So this is how the paste is. This is so good. You need to apply this to the scalp. So this is how I apply to the scalp of my head, and massage my scalp thoroughly and apply it for almost 20 minutes. They have given 30 minutes, and almost applied to the 30 minutes and washed off this shampoo. And after that I have applied this conditioner. So this is how my hair is. Look how my hair is so black and so good and so clean. I am really impressed with this particular kit. My scalp is so good and it is not at all itchy, and I definitely recommend you to try this for sure. Go and buy now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.